Samsung has officially confirmed that a Galaxy Unpacked event will take place in the last week of July. Although no specific dates have been announced, it is expected to take place between July 24th and July 28th, with reports pointing to July 26th as a probable date. This year's Galaxy Unpacked event will be held in Samsung's native nation for the first time. Since the initial Unpacked event in Las Vegas in 2010, Samsung has held additional events in major locations around the world, including New York, Berlin, London, and Barcelona. For the upcoming event in Seoul, however, Samsung aims to change the direction of Unpacked for foldable devices by spotlighting various, trend-setting cultural places throughout the world that closely match the assigned topic of each event. Seoul was picked as a location because of its ability to impact global trends through its dynamic culture and innovative attitude, according to the corporation. This choice also indicates the brand's strong belief in the foldable sector. As a South Korean brand, Samsung is attempting to encourage the widespread adoption of its foldable phones in order to boost its position as an industry and category leader. Samsung is likely to reveal the 5th-generation Galaxy Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, as well as the Galaxy Watch 6 series and Galaxy Tab S9 range during the forthcoming Galaxy Unpacked event. In the following weeks, we should anticipate Samsung to send out official invites confirming the date of the Unpack event. There were some wild rumors circulating a while back that the upcoming Z Fold from Samsung would include a larger 108MP main sensor for its primary camera. Unfortunately, based on recent leaks, that rumor will most likely be proven incorrect. Instead, we anticipate the same 50 megapixels, but with a new sensor that generates higher quality images and supports additional camera functionality. The telephoto and ultra-wide cameras are not expected to change, though some speculations concerning new sensors are ambiguous about how many and which cameras will get them, so we may see more than one shooter get a sensor upgrade. Finally, there has been some speculation that the selfie shooter on the cover display may be upgraded to a slightly higher megapixel count, increasing it from 10MP to 12MP, implying the use of a new image sensor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.